Hey guys, hope everybody's doing good. If this is your first time here, then welcome. So today I'm going to be doing one of my usual unscripted voiceovers. So we're going to see how this turns out. But today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of one of my favorite, super easy, don't feel like doing my hair, get in, get out, protective styles, and that is a bubble ponytail. We're going to be using the Luxe Locks Curl Defining Cream as our only styler for today. Now, usually with this style, when I really want to give it some razzle dazzle, make it super sleek, shiny, decrease frizz, I will use a leave-in conditioner, an oil or butter, and some type of gel. But today and many days lately, I have not felt like doing my hair in any way, shape, or form. In fact, you guys are going to see a lot of I don't want to be doing this faces in this video, and that is accurate. I have not felt like dealing with my hair at all lately. So the name of the game with this style is getting my hair moisturized, protected, and out of my face as quick as possible. So another thing that you may know if you've been with me on my channel for a while is I do not use styling tools unless I am straightening my hair. I'm a finger detangling girl exclusively, except for the very rare occasion I will use like a boar bristle brush to smooth the front of my hair, but I do that maybe like once every 2 years. Smoothing and smoothing some more to try to get my hair a little less frizz free. My hair's default setting is frizzy, so smoothing these ends like I'm doing with the curl cream, smoothing, removing shed hair, further detangling and separating helps me to decrease the additional tangles that are hiding in there and also give my cuticles a little bit more of a flatter, smoother appearance when I'm putting it into this banded ponytail and these twists. So I am going to be adding not that much product because I want my hair to dry a little bit quicker than usual. So my hair, although the style turned out a little bit frizzier than usual, the end game of getting my hair in a protective style, having it be moisturized, was definitely achieved. I love this product. I am probably going to be getting some more this Black Friday. It comes in a bunch of different scents and it just works so well. It's super reliable and I can use it as a one and done, as you can see here. So love this curling cream from Luxe Locks LLC. So as I mentioned, I've already detangled several times, in fact, during this wash day, but because of the nature of my hair, it retangles like there's no tomorrow. So if you're like me and you love the look of a bubble ponytail or like a sleek ponytail, kind of Sade vibes, but your hair is very thick, very coarse, and that style is a little bit more difficult for you to achieve, I highly recommend this method. It gives the look of a single ponytail while not having to kind of wrangle your hair as much and have it basically break elastics and hair ties when trying to achieve that look. So in addition to the twists themselves being the base of the style, again, smoothing some more really does make a huge difference. As I mentioned, my hair is naturally very frizzy, so this really helps the overall end result. Even though it is a bit frizzier than usual, it still is a lot less frizzy than if I didn't do all this smoothing. Moving on to this front section, which is traditionally my more looser curl pattern section. Adding my curling cream, separating some more to get those hidden tangles or reappearing tangles that manifest in my hair after like an hour of having already detangled it. Although I'm not using as much product as normal, I do make sure that my hair is completely covered each and every section because my hair thrives with product. So not only does the style turn out looking a lot better, but my hair in general, that helps with the health of my hair, making sure that I have a moisturizer on it after finishing up with my deep conditioning routine and heading into styling. And I know that this front section is going to be kind of the twists that lead into my bubble ponytail being smoothed back, so I kind of twist at an angle there. Moving on to the next half of my hair, same routine, adding product, starting to smooth, separate, and detangle, remove shed hairs. And like I said, if you have a little bit more time to devote to this style, a nice gel, an oil or butter not only helps in addition to decreasing frizz and giving a sleeker look, but also helps to retain moisture really, really well and have the style last overall a longer time. The only drawback of only using one product for this particular style is that now that it's getting warmer, I'm at the gym more. The ponytail itself doesn't last as long in the resulting twist out. When I take everything down and do my twist, it doesn't look as cute as when I take those extra steps. But this is me trying to maintain my sanity while taking my care of my hair right now, because I'm at a want to shave my head, straighten my hair in summer type of phase. So I'm trying to do what I can with the mental capacity that I have. And this style is a great option for when I'm feeling like that, because not only does it turn out pretty cute, but it kind of gets me in and out of styling quicker than if I were to take my time a little bit more without having to sacrifice the overall look too much. So once I have this side of my head done, I move over to the next side and do the same exact thing. Remove any shed hair that I can while I am applying the curling cream and also putting in the twist. The more shed hair I remove, the better my styles turn out. It's not as bulky, so any opportunity I have to do that, I definitely take it. Done, I'm gonna pin my twists up and let them air dry for about 2 hours. I'm so tired at this point, but it's time for the bandit ponytail. But I let them air dry in these pinned up little sections. I'm gonna be using these 3 different size hair elastics for the bubble ponytail: large, medium, and small. So at the front here, I'm going to twist my first 2 twists on each side, kind of just make it a little bit easier for me to smooth things back into that ponytail shape, and then just smooth my crown, which tends to be very, very frizzy because I have a lot of breakage there. Just smooth, and then just pull the twist back into a traditional ponytail shape. Another reason that I made sure to let my hair air dry first is that because my hair is so thick, if I decided to put my twist in this bubble ponytail right after I was done, it would never dry, which is a recipe for weak, very just flimsy, breakage prone hair, which is not what we want. So I see that this section of the bubble is a little bigger than I want, so I add another of those larger elastics to make the bubbles a little bit smaller, the individual sections. I find this gives me better elongation and it helps the ponytail itself last a bit longer. So depending on the look I'm going for, sometimes I don't mind having the actual bubbles or bandit sections be a little bit bigger, but for this one, I wanted to really compact my twist to give a nice long ponytail look and also help the actual style to last a bit longer. And then as I move down my hair, I go down in size of the hair elastics, and then at the very end here, I will braid the sections of hair to make sure that the protective style is one where I can tuck in my ends, and also because my hair is a bit thinner there, it makes the hair look a lot better as far as at the very end here if I just go ahead and tuck it up under like that. These elastics, the small and medium, are a bit harder for me to find. They're from Scoonchy. The large ones I can get from Walmart, Target, anywhere, but these small ones I've only found once in a drugstore and never seen them again, so Amazon would be the best bet. Here's my bubble ponytail all done, and then a few hours later all dried. Really like the way this turned out. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you in next Friday's video and in my shorts in between, and hope you all are doing good. Take care. See you next time. Bye.